The Emerging Media Lab and the Hive and the Faculty of Medicine are really special places on campus because they bring together students from all disciplines. So we truly have a multidisciplinary team where we can tackle problem sets from all different angles. And it's been through this collaboration that we've been able to push the innovations coming out of education here at UBC way beyond what our peers are doing right now.
Students are really leading the charge here. Faculty members are involved as subject matter experts.
The first time I put on the HoloLens and I saw the three-dimensional reconstruction of the brain in the room there in front of me, it was absolutely amazing. It was as if somebody had been inside of my head and taken that 3D image that I built up like over years and years of study and had taken it out of my head and just placed it in the room in front of me, and I could now all of a sudden just talk to students and show them the things that I would typically just say, imagine this being here. Now I could say, look, it's right there. So it was a complete change in an approach to teaching.
Almost in all of EML projects, we are basically pushing the boundaries of how technology could be used for education. We get involved with companies, big names sometimes, and they come and talk to our students, our team members, and sometimes we find out that we are actually beyond what they are offering, and we are pushing them to go a little bit further.
The Emerging Media Lab gave me access to cutting-edge technology and devices and mentorship, and through that I basically filled the gap between my academia and industry, and now I got my dream job at Microsoft.
The Emerging Media Lab is a great hub that connects students from all across campus, as well as the different resources, and brings everyone who has a common interest in emerging media and what that means for the future all together into one space, and really is a hub for sharing ideas as well. The project I'm working on is with the School of Music. It's called the Interactive Orchestra, and we're creating a virtual reality conducting experience.
The best day is when I come into the Hive or into the Emerging Media Lab and I see the students working and they look up and they say, I just solved this problem, have a look. And then we look at what they've just done and it's absolutely amazing. Every day is new and I feel like every day we're solving new problems and moving the entire field forward.